Dad.
In here, I thought you lost your Jace through faking suicides.
Step away from the bomb.
Oh, this little thing. I'd hardly call this a bomb. No, this is the trick of the packs of thermals upstairs in the gym! No, those are bombs! People are gonna look at the ashes of Westerberg and say there's a school that self-destructed not because society didn't care, but because that school was society! You know the only place Heathers and Marcus can truly get along is in heaven!
I wish your mom had been a little stronger. I wish she'd stayed around a little longer. I wish your dad were good. I wish grown-ups understood. I wish we'd met before. They've convinced you life is war. I wish you'd come with me.
I wish I had more TNT! Was it good for you? Kinda sucked for me.
It's over, JD. Which fire do I pull? JD!